Settings General. On this tab, you can find controls to adjust various general settings. Streamer.Bot Instance Information section. ID displays a randomly assigned ID for the current instance. Name allows you to assign a custom name to the current instance. For example, this is used for identifying different instances when using integration with the Streamer.Bot site. Reset button allows you to generate a new instance ID if needed. Audio Output Device section. List of all available audio devices allows you to choose which audio device should be used in sub-actions when selecting Application Default. This is different from Default, which refers to the system-wide default device. Refresh button updates the list to reflect changes in this list. Use System Default checkbox allows Streamer.Bot to fall back to the system default device if the selected one is unavailable. Application Volume slider adjusts Streamer.Bot volume. Performance section. Disable Viewer tab stops updating the list in the Viewers tab. Does not prevent Streamer.Bot from checking present viewers on platforms, if enabled in their respective tabs. Does not stop Streamer.Bot from triggering the present viewer event. Any actions linked to this event will still trigger. Disable Action History stops updating the list in the Action History tab. Process Watcher section. The Process Watcher is responsible for detecting when processes start or stop and triggering corresponding events in Streamer.Bot. After start, choose whether the Process Watcher should start automatically when Streamer.Bot is launched. Start/Stop Process Watcher. Manually start or stop the Process Watcher. A Log Level switch allows you to select the log level to control the amount of detail recorded in the logs. For alpha and beta versions, the log level is forced to be verbose.